What's going on, people? It's your boy Money Matt, and today, bro, on a windy day, we decided we wanted to test out the DJI Neo. Yeah, it's stupid windy out here. I'm gonna get into it in a minute, bro, and show y'all some demos of this joint just fighting with the wind like crazy. But um, it seems to do okay, man. It's just this thing is super duper light, and when you got a product that's this light, it's kind of hard to, yeah, for it to really maneuver in the wind like it should. So yeah, we're gonna throw this thing on, man, and get some test shots in. The good thing about this is, bro, you don't need nothing. Once you set it up one time, you got your buttons here on the front. That's all you really need, bro. You can program that joint, and then you got one, two, three, four. You got 6 different shots that you can get without your phone. But mind you, you only got 22 gigs of onboard storage. So with these 4K shots that this thing be getting, man, it's gonna eat that up real quick. But we're gonna take a couple shots that we're gonna do maybe 3 or 4 of them. Let it fight the wind. Then I'm gonna do some actual some photos, some stills with the camera too, so we can see exactly what those look like. But I'm gonna have to use the phone for that one. So let's get it. Needless to say, if you buy one of these joints, man, it would behoove you to get the Fly More kit. Because the little batteries that's inside that joint, man, the low battery, I was charged up at 100% when I got out here. I only did like maybe 5, maybe 8 minutes, maybe 8 minutes of flight, and took some pictures or whatever, and that battery immediately went down to 30%. But I'm 100% positive it's due to the windy nature of outside, like right now. So I'm gonna have some fun with this joint, man. But I gotta get some more batteries for sure. I just went with what they had because that's what they had in the store. So yeah, but yeah, definitely got to get some more batteries. And let me know what y'all think of the video quality of this thing. Again, it was really fighting the wind, bro. Like it was terribly fighting the wind. So I ain't actually took a look at the footage yet, but when I get to the lab, slap this on, upload it for y'all, I'll be able to look at the actual video quality at that point. So let me know what y'all think down in the comment section, man. $200, bro. DJI's smallest drone, the DJI Neo. Yes, it's a lot of compromises that was made in this thing, but is it something that you could use? I'm telling you, the follow feature is amazing on this thing. I ain't gonna really put it to the test today, like, cause I was gonna get on the bike and ride and see just how much it would catch up, but it's so windy out here today, I'm not about to do that. So, yeah, that's all I got for you today, man. Your boy Money Matt. Another toy in the lab, putting it to the test, bro, on this stupid windy day here in Florida. I'll take it though, because it ain't going awful hot. As you can see, I got on black, all black. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to go ride and do something important with my life, man. Y'all hit that like and subscribe button on your way out. I'm your boy Money Man Cone.